Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. Welcome back for part 2 of the Happy Heads Mystery Crochet Along. For part 1, you made this beanie looking thing. Hopefully you had so much fun crocheting this so far, and you posted your pictures in the Facebook group with the corresponding hashtag so I could celebrate you. Remember that the written pattern is down below. There's a link right there. It takes you to my website where the free version is with ads. And of course, if you join my membership, the Crochet Club, you get the ad-free version. And remember, you get over 400 patterns and a huge video vault as well. I think there's over 300 videos there as well. Come join the Crochet Club if you love patterns ad-free and printer friendly. And now let's get ready for part 2. So you're going to make 2 of the same pieces. I'm just going to show you one here on camera, but you're going to make 2 of them. And you're going to either make a chain of 18 and then loop it and then add double crochets on top, or you do it like me. I like to do the chainless foundation chain for the double crochet. So here's what you do. You make a chain of 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain that you made. Ideally go through 2 loops if possible, although with this farther yarn it might be hard to see. Yarn over and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. You need to make your chain first, so yarn over and pull through. So this is your chain here on the bottom, and now you have 3 loops still on your hook, and you need to finish it up like a double crochet. So yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2, and see how I kept my thumb here on the bottom, because that is where your chain is. We're going to need to insert our hook back into it. So yarn over. Let's make the next one right here. We made that chain here on the bottom, so let's make another one. Yarn over and pull through. So this is now the chain that we're making right here. So chain mate right there. We're going to need that for the next stitch. Okay, so I like to keep my thumb on it. And now let's finish it up like a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So now we have the chain here. This is a chain of 3, right? So counting as a stitch, 1 and 2. So we made 3 stitches so far. So let's keep going. I'm going to show you one more time how to do this, like so. And now you keep going and make in total 18 stitches. Again, you can also do a chain of 18, then slip stitch the first and last stitch together, and then make double crochet stitches on top. Either way works. So let me finish mine and I'll show you how it looks like after. All right, so once you're done, it's going to look like this. So now we need to make it into a loop. So I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain of 3 right here, like so. You can use the yarn down here to connect to the first stitch. Just, weave it through, make a knot, however you want to connect the bottom piece so it doesn't look like this, right? So just connect it and then you're good. And now you're going to keep going. So now we're going to just make double crochet stitches for now. So I'm going to start again with an alternative turning chain, just like we did in part 1. That is counted as a double crochet stitch. And now we're making every stitch 1 double crochet. So there's 18 stitches per round. And you're going to make a total of 19 rounds of just double crochet stitches. And once you're done, you're going to come back here because I'm going to show you what you're going to do after. Okay, so once you're done, now you need to do some increases. So again, we're doing the alternative turning chain or some kind of equivalent to it. And in the following stitch, we're going to crochet 2 double crochet stitches. And in the following stitch, we're just going to crochet 1 double crochet. Now you're going to repeat that. So 2 double crochets and then 1 double crochet. Now repeat that all the way till the end. Now in the following 2 rounds, you're just going to crochet double crochet stitches, so 1 per stitch. So I always start with my alternative turning chain, and then in the following stitch, I'm just going to crochet 1 double crochet, and I do that all the way around, and I will do that for 2 rounds. And make sure you do your slip stitches in between, and then you go after that to the following round. In the following round, you're now going to do decreases. I like to still start with an alternative turning chain. So make a single crochet and then insert my hook again and yarn over, pull through, and I'll leave it like this, which is like an unfinished double crochet. And now I'm going to the next stitch and also do an unfinished double crochet like so. And now 3 loops on my hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. That's my decrease. Now in the following stitches, I'm just going to do regular double crochet decreases. So you're going to do always 2 together. So 2 double crochets together. And you do that all the way around. Now once you're done, it's going to look like this, and you're going to make a second one. So you're going to make 2 of these in total, and that is going to be part 2 of the mystery crochet along. I am so excited about this. Now's the time where you really need to start thinking about your guesses of what we're making. You already know we made a beanie-like thing in part 1, and now this is part 2, but there's still a little bit to crochet for part 3. Don't worry, it's not too much, and you will be able to finish it on time. I am really excited. So let's get the guessing game started. Make sure you grab the written pattern down below. You can of course join my membership if you want the pattern ad-free, and if you want additional patterns all ad-free, printer friendly, with little checkoff boxes and hundreds of video tutorials exclusive to the membership. And now it's time for you to take a picture of part 1 and 2 and post it into my Facebook group, Crocheting with Nikki, with the corresponding hashtag, so I can find you and celebrate you. So get ready for part 3 in a couple of days, or it will show up here if you're watching this video much later than the actual mystery crochet along is happening. Be sure to like, comment, and share this video, and be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I'm publishing a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.